Serenity by Cherriuki in size 50 by 73 cm squares, special treatment version 1, starts with square snow pearls that are placed on the right arrow symbols of the moon. So this would be mostly around the moon and with a little bit in the middle of the moon. Second version for Serenity in squares 50 by 70 cm. We now add old gold crystals and we place it on the scepter that she's holding. Basically, the ball of the scepter will be filled in with old gold. So is that jewel on her forehead. And we also trace a part of her bodice on her dress, which is in old gold. So simply follow that area where you see it as brown on the canvas. Those would be in old gold crystals. For version 3 of Serenity, we now add more square snow pearls onto her dress. So this would be following the widest areas that are highlighted on her dress. So simply place snow pearls onto those areas. This is mostly on the right arrow symbol. So if you can't fill all of the right arrow symbols, that's fine so long as you place them mostly on the right arrow symbol. Then you'll get this same effect.